everyone, my name is Monsa Mohan and I'm a physiotherapist at Bonavas Hospital, Bangalore. Let us discuss about gait training. Gait refers to normal walking pattern or style of walking. Normal condition which we come across daily in our rehabilitation centers like spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury, cerebral palsy, Parkinson, all comes with some or other kind of gait impairment and or balance coordination problems. Conventional therapy which we use in our rehabilitation centers are like parallel bar, normal assistive devices, walking frame, etc. Conventional therapy comes with a lot of limitation, manpower, time constraint, and it requires a lot of effort from patient side and therapist side. We at Bonavas, we follow evidence-based therapy in our rehabilitation protocol. So we have incorporated robotic assisted gait training in our rehabilitation center like G-Gator. This is G-Gator which I was talking about, which delivers advanced gait training for the patient. This is the easy to use UI which we can set the parameter of the patient according to the need and patient's condition, which also delivers us to give a report at the end of the session, which will help us to make any changes in the protocol. This comes along with a monitor. They can play whichever game they want and the music which they like, so that keeps them engaged and for them improve visual therapy throughout the treatment session. With this infotainment system, it acts like a biofeedback and the patient can see the amount of effort they're putting throughout the session, which helps them to push themselves more and do little more from their side. AI-powered robotic leg helps stimulate near to normal walking pattern in patient, and the repeated movement device provides will help to regenerative neuroplasticity in early mobilization. In rehabilitation, every patient journey is different. The G-Gator has helped us to change and transform the way we deliver therapy to patients with gait impairments.